finished up over here at the Row in downtown LA. It's this new shopping retail space that they're doing a lot of work on. And we put up a big exterior window graphic for the Hawkins New York that's going to be there. It's just to block all the outside of the glass so the people walking in can't see all the construction going on. So we just covered it up with graphics for their particular company. Yeah, came out pretty good.